got one more model for you. Boeing 737, built in 1960s. Most way you can tell this is something from the 60s is the jet engines themselves and the nose. Here, take a look at these jet engines right here. That's definitely from the 60s. And that nose, I don't even make that nose anymore. I'll give you a closer look of it. Look at it. See that nose? I'll give you a profile. Take a look at those jet engines. Now you make this. Look it back in focus. Back in focus, please. Thank you. Take a look at those engines there. You can get a good, clear look at them. Back in focus, please. Oh, too bright of a lights or something. Out of focus again. There we go. But they definitely don't make those jet engines anymore. That's how you can tell. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to build a Boeing flat car that goes on a railroad. They call it a fuselage carrier. I believe they take these fuselage from Seattle to Washington to the Wichita to finish building, or the other way around. I'll show you a couple of photographs of the fuselage carrier that I got off the internet, so you can see what I'm talking about. This is a 1960s 72nd scale Boeing 737 for United Airlines.